coffee ornament. This is so me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got a Christmas tree, a fake Christmas tree. The real one is coming though. I'm the type of person to buy pasta from Homegoods. Get an ornament for under $10 at Hobby Lobby. Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Cami and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a collective haul. I did a little bit of holiday shopping. This is really the first year that I've tried to do this. I really like decorating my home. I went to Hobby Lobby to get some things specifically for my Christmas tree. So we went and shopped for some ornaments. And also I went to Homegoods. I found some really awesome things at both locations. So let's get started with the haul. I'm truly getting into the spirit this year, you guys. I've got like a lot of small bags around me. Let's go ahead and get started with what I got from Homegoods. So the first thing I want to show you is this bouquet. These things are not fragranted in here. This is by a brand called Naturally. It's naturally fake. This fake bouquet was only $9.99. It says compare at 18. I don't know if I'm going to tell you guys all the compare prices, but anyway, this was less than $10. It's fake. I could probably use it again next year. So I'm very happy about this. Yes, I'll take it. I bought a plain black teacup. Yes, I did. I would do this. Ooh, I cannot wait to use this. Yes, okay. So it's got a little bit of gold trimming on the side. And this was $3.99. A plain black teacup? That is so me! Oh, yes, I'm so glad I bought this. Also from Homegoods, of course, I got wrapping paper, typical traditional Christmas plaid wrapping paper with the red and green, which I really, really, really like. This is by Martha Stewart. It's the Heavyweight Lord gift wrap. And so this is $3.99. Oh, I thought it was $2. It's $3.99. Okay, fine. Because I really like it. So yeah, I'll be wrapping something with this year. Oh, yay! Oh, I'm excited. I got this to send, obviously, to Nana. I have a Nana and she is amazing. So I'm going to be sending this to her as a Christmas gift, and she really likes stationery and things like that, so I'm very excited to be sending this to her for Christmas. And then also from Homegoods, guys, I got a little Christmas tree. This was $9.99, so I thought that was pretty cute. I love silver accents, so I really like that I can put this anywhere in my home, and I'm probably going to like the way it looks. Product of Italy. I guess I used it for the penne. I remember I didn't want to go to the grocery store to get penne for the food that we were having that night, and I was already at Homegoods, so I just picked this up. I wonder if these spices are going to be good. Do you guys buy food from Homegoods? Or am I all by myself? Guys, so let's move on to what I got from Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I know that the ornaments are in there. I almost dropped something. Ugh, that was scary. So scary. Okay. At Hobby Lobby, they wrap up everything just like they do. This is so cool. Okay. So look what I got. I got this camera ornament. Look on the side, it says SD card. A camera ornament. How cute. I love it. Yes, 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 yes. I love it. This is so cute. This is so me. Obviously, I got this. My husband didn't pick this out. I did. So I'm very, very happy to put this on the tree. I mean, it's so representative of me and like what I do and what I care about. You know what I mean? Memories and things like that. So I have an appreciation for a camera ornament. Okay, how much was this? Am I gonna... Okay. Hobby Lobby. This was... No, it just says Christmas promotion, 40% off, $2.99 or $5.99 or $9.58 because nothing is marked. So, get an ornament for under $10 at Hobby Lobby. I need to stop. I need to stop. I need to quit. Okay, so I got that. Literally the whole bag of Hobby Lobby stuff weighs like less than 2 ounces. My hubs is calling. Give me a second, guys. It's a coffee ornament. What is that?
I think it's avocado toast.
Alright guys, so those are all the items that I got for this season of holiday shopping at HomeGoods and Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the shout out for this part of the video. So the shout out comes from Diane Mania, and Diane says, pretty lipstick. Diane, I think that the lipstick is really pretty too. Diane is talking about the lipstick that I used in one of my latest makeup tutorials. I was using for the first time the KYLIE Kristen colored lip kit. It's so pretty. If you haven't seen that makeup tutorial where I end up using this lip color, then I'm going to link that in the description box down below, so you can click it if you're interested in watching it. Thank you, Diane, for commenting. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm posting some pictures over there. The handle is CamisCosmetics. And also follow me on TikTok. My handle over there is also CamisCosmetics. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I love sharing with you just so you can get to know a little bit more about me. And I also really like getting to know about you guys. Don't forget to come back and see how I'm doing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!